Hi everyone, I hope we're all ready to learn a new letter sound. Let's start with a song as always. Here we have two little dicky birds. Let's get ready. Let me see your dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Amazing. Beautiful singing. Right, we are ready now to learn a new sound. So I'm going to tell you a fabulous sound story. This is Nicola and this is her granddad. And they are going on a lovely walk. A nice, peaceful, quiet walk. And suddenly they hear a loud sound going, ahead. What can we see up here? It's an aeroplane flying past, making a very loud sound. If I press the sound button on this sound, it will also make a sound. Shall we see? I'm going to press it. And again. Maybe you could join in as well. Beautiful. Why don't we have a listen to the jolly phonics sound for our letters?
Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise.
Beautiful. Maybe we could practice writing some I've written some here already. Let's try another one. I'm going to do a line down like this. Go back up. Open over, down. And a sound button on the bottom. A line down. Back up. Open over. Click on the bottom. I think is a stretchy sound because when we say it, we stretch it out. Are we ready? Let's all say nice and stretchy. Beautiful. Let's practice with our magic fingers now as well because I like to practice with our magic fingers. I'm going to go up, over, line down, flick. Up, over, line down and a flick. Or you can go down, back up your line, over the hill, down and a slight flick. Up, over the hill, line down and a slight flick. Amazing! Beautiful! What fantastic learning we have done today.